Good morning, everyone. My name is Zakil Faiz. I am a special staff member under the President of the United States, representing the U.S. Department of Commerce, and I am here to discuss U.S. tariff policy and address some of the concerns you may have. Thank you for this opportunity to speak on this very important issue. U.S. tariff policy. Tariffs are in place to protect U.S. industry and jobs. We understand that high tariff can have a negative impact on your business. We are committed to addressing unfair trade practice and supporting data to reduce the trade imbalance. Acknowledging your concern, we recognize the challenge that high tariff pose, including increased costs for business. Tariff can increase operating costs, disruption in supply chains, difficulty obtaining raw material and products. We emphasize the U.S. commitment to understanding and addressing this challenge. Impact of tariff from a U.S. perspective. Promoting fair competition it is important to have a level playing field for U.S. and Chinese business. Promoting balanced trade discussion of how balanced trade and benefit both economies. Tariff as a negotiating tool, using tariff to obtain better terms to trade. Opportunity for dialogue and cooperation. We believe in past approach to tariff reduction. It is important to create mutually beneficial trade agreements. We are committed to building long-term partnership in the benefit both parties. Action plan is identifying impacted sectors. We will conduct an in-depth analysis to identify the sector most impacted by tariff. Establishing a discussion forum, we will create a forum to hear input from business and stakeholders. Implementing responsive policy based on input. We will adjust tariff policies to minimize negative impacts. So the conclusion of the presentation is we are open and willing to engage in further dialogue. We affirm the U.S. Department of Commerce commitment to fair trade practice. Let's work together to find solutions that support both economies. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to discuss further. If you have any question of further discussion, I will be happy answer them. Okay, if this okay, if you have any question of future discussion, I will be happy to answer them. Okay, if there are no question, thank you. Thank you again. And of presentation, let's work together to create a better and fair future portrait for all parties involved.